Welcome back to Color Rhymes. Today we're drawing something super important for our teeth, a toothbrush and toothpaste. Get your colors ready and let's have some creative fun together. Can you stay with me until the end? It's going to be so much fun! Hey, little buddy, did you brush your teeth before bed? If you don't, tiny sugar monsters might have a party in your mouth, so grab your toothbrush and scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's keep those teeth shiny and strong. Yay! Our tooth is ready and it looks awesome! Now let's draw the toothbrush and the toothpaste too. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Stay with me, it's gonna be fun! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Okay, kids, it's time to color. Let me see. What color do you think fits this best? Let's find the perfect one together. Let's try purple for our toothpaste. It's such a fun and magical color, don't you think? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Yay! Our shiny toothbrush and toothpaste are all done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you never miss our fun videos. And hey, if you like this one, go check out our shapes video too. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.